Framework designers have crazy plugin ideas, like genuinely crazy, that will help the community because they use Framework a lot, but they lack coding knowledge. And I'm here to fill that gap. And look, I get it. You don't know how to use JavaScript, you don't know how to code, but I know how to do it, and I can help you in making a Framework plugin. So I have created these boilerplates which you can use in your projects to make plugins. So how will it work? So first, this boilerplate has payment gateway installed. This has a proper database using Supabase, and this is proper fledged plugin which you can edit and just like post it on Framework Marketplace. And I have tried it, it works, and it will get posted on Framework Marketplace too. Second boilerplate is something kind of very special, which is a UI kit. And I have seen many framework designers, because framework designers know how to design and they make UI kits, and so good UI kits that people buy those UI kits a lot. And I've seen people making 10k a month using those UI kits only. So this is a boilerplate which is ready to be a UI kit for you. And there's one more document for you. That document will have all the content that you have to write in your Framework boilerplate, like the short description, like the long description, like the legal policy, privacy policy, how I do it, how you can do it, and terms of usage, because no one wants to go to the court for this. And I will tell you how to give a good prompt to AI to do that. And also in the tutorial section, I will also tell you, if you want a proper plugin for you, how you can customize this boilerplate to make it yours using AI, and it will be crazy. I will take you to my computer screen and tell you how it works. This is the UI Kit boilerplate, and as you can see that I'm not logged in right now. It's showing me the option to upgrade. I can go over to my account screen and then go and sign in. These are the main categories of the components, and this is the recently used section. In the main categories, we have different kind of subcategories. It's up to you that you want the subcategories or not. I implemented this feature because many of the UI kits on the Framework Marketplace has subcategories. This is a subcategory that I created. Rest of the category have dummy data, so we don't have any preview image for those. So let's go to the Sabur category, and these are the components that I have inserted in my database. So let me try to import the Pro one first. Boom, this is the paywall. It's showing me to upgrade first because this is a Pro component. So now let me try to import a normal component. Boom, this got imported. And as you can see in my recently used section, I will be having these components that I have just now imported. There are different subcategories and main categories. You can do as you want. This is a navigation bar. It has different kinds of buttons. You can customize it as you want. The code is very easy for you to edit and for you to make any changes to that. I have made a separate readme file from which you can check how the code is working, and you can import all those content to AI, and then AI will edit for you. Currently, I have an upgrade button. I have a refresh button to refresh the database, and I have a YouTube button and a account screen button. And let's go and now sign in. I don't have a license key, so let's go and get a license key. So this is where it took me, and I will just put my email and it will give me the license key. The license key. Now I'm going to put it over here and then continue. And boom, I'm now logged in. And now we can go to the support section and try to import the Pro component. And boom, the Pro component got imported. And as you can see, I have a hard button over here. It's for the favorite section. We have a favorite section too, where we can include our favorite components, or we can also remove it. And every component have built-in tags. You can add as many tags as you want. I have different kinds of tags like Apple, Sabur, any tag you want. You can add those tags and it will be easier to search from the search bar. We also have a sorting button, so you can use to recently edit, and you can make the sorting in alphabetical order. It's as per your needs. I have implemented many of the features that most of the UI kit don't have. If you don't want, you can remove those features, but I have included in the boilerplate. Now let me tell you how everything else is working. This is what we are using for payment system. This is polar.sh. I'm using polar.sh. Lemon Squeeze is also a good one, but the lowest amount of fees is taken by polar.sh. Lemon Squeeze charges more than polar.sh. But in the next update, I'm going to implement Lemon Squeeze too, and you can use Lemon Squeeze also if you want to. And for the backend or for the database, I'm using Supabase. Supabase is really good, and the pricing you see, it's free for most of the. And the free tier is enough for most of the users. It has a bandwidth of 50,000 monthly active users, 500 MB of database size, 5 GB egress. It's up to you, or if you exceed the current limits, then you can buy the Pro one, but I don't think so that you are going to exceed it. I have never exceeded it. I have a plugin which have 2500 users and I have never exceeded the limits. So now let me take you to the code and tell you how everything is working. So this is the code. It might be overwhelming for you, but be with me and I will explain you every single thing. So first, this is the readme file. Go over here and read the readme file, how everything is working. First, we need to set up our SQL database. So from Supabase, you should go over setup.sql and copy whole of this and run in the SQL editor. Let me show you how it works. So this is Supabase and this is my table. You can check out everything. We have different kinds of tables in this. We have analytical events, which you can use to track the user events. I have also implemented post hoc, but post hoc is not currently working. You can make it work using AI, but it's not very important for a plugin to have that. I have already implemented analytics event, which you can use to get any analytic you want. So you just have to prompt the AI and it will make it. I have made the basic functionalities. This is a category, this is component, this is only a view of popular component, what people are using. This is subscriptions, how many subscriptions currently I have. This is the user screen, and in the user screen I have a status which you can use to block the user, or it will automatically set to expired if the license key is expired. And this is the active devices. Currently I have implemented only one device can log in from one license key. So if you want to remove any of the device, you can do it from here, or you can directly log out from the plugin. You can remove this functionality if you want to. This is user session, how many sessions are going on, and this is the SQL editor here. Now you have to go to a code editor, copy all of this and then run over here. Then you will get your proper working database as I was having over here. Do that and you will get a database. And now come over here. And this is .env.example file. This is most important thing for you. Okay, so first we have Supabase URL. You have to go here are the instructions how you will get the API and how you will put the key. If you don't get it, search online and you will be able to. So come over here, put your Supabase URL and NN key, and for polar.sh use the same thing and create a .env file. I will remove my env file because this is my API keys and you can't show your API key to others because they will then copy your content and or can access your database. So don't show that to others. Create .env file and put your API keys over there. This is the thing. And then I have installation guide.md file, which you can check and you will understand how everything is going to be installed and how everything else is working. And this is the AI thing. And for AI, I recommend you to use Claude AI. Claude AI is very, very cheap. It's around $20 a month, and you can use Claude Code for in that. Claude Code tutorials are all over the internet. You can use Claude Code and you can easily edit the boilerplate. Even if you don't know how to code, Claude Code is very, very good and you will be able to edit however you want. All of the basic functionalities I have implemented. All you have to do is just put your Supabase URLs and create your database, and then your UI kit will be good to go. By using this boilerplate, you are going to upload your Framer plugin in 1 or 2 days. And I must say, in terms of functionalities, you will not get any of the fixing issue from the Framer people when you submit your plugin. I have one more boilerplate that you must see. This is the UI Kit Boilerplate, by the way. And let me show you the other one. So this is the other boilerplate, the basic one. The basic one, if you don't want to create a UI kit, then you can use this one to create a different kind of component. It has basic login and payment system involved, everything working. So for running the plugin locally, you have to do npm run dev, and then you will go to your Framer plugin and see. This is the most basic boilerplate. It's not a UI kit, it's just a boilerplate. You have different kinds of component, pre-built component that you can use in your plugin. It's very, very easy. It's very, very simple. You can also get this one when you will buy from the link in the description down below. You will get both of the boilerplates, whichever you want to use. You can use that one. So this was the tutorial. If you liked it, check out the link in the description down below to get the boilerplate. And if you like me, then subscribe to the channel, or you can also follow me on Twitter. And I will see you guys in the next one. So these were the boilerplates, and if you like the boilerplate, then there is the link in the description down below from where you can get these boilerplates. And I would be really happy to see you guys tell me how it was. And even if you don't buy it, you can go to the comment section and tell me if you liked it and or you don't, and what else I can improve in the version 2 of this. And if a person buys version 1 from me, then version 2 and the upcoming all of the versions will be there for free. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.